Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Sublime Text Editor on Parrot Security OS 6.3. Open any web browser, but the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. Go to sublimetext.com. This is the official website. Click on download or install for Linux. Click on download, then click on Linux repos. Then click on apt. See these are the commands to install Sublime Text Editor. First we have to install this GPG. So copy entire command, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. It is done. Now for stable version we have to use the channel. But for development, you have to use this channel. So go with, I'm going with stable. So copy, paste it. It is done. Now update the packages and install the Sublime Text Editor. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now install the Sublime Text Editor. So sudo apt get install sublime -text. See here, okay. But if it fails, we have to install this one. Then we have to install this one. So hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Click on start. Then search for Sublime. See here we have the Sublime Text Editor. Click on it. See, we have the Sublime Text Editor. You want to see about Sublime Text Editor? See, this is the build information. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install latest Sublime Text Editor version on Parrot Security OS 6.3. As I told you, but the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.